welcome to Creative Moments by G. I'm Georgia, and we are so excited that you're here today. This is part 3 of Lots of Pun, December 2021, Paper Pumpkin. We have 4 alternatives to show you. So today is just a show and tell. Let me show you the first one that we created. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's a tower card that has this adorable little piece of toast hanging from the middle. So let's head down to the crafting table and I'll tell you how we did this. We simply created a tower card and hung this from a piece of ribbon. And we actually have a video that we will link below, and you can go straight to the video and see how we did this. But how adorable is that? We used the little hearts across the top. We put a little heart right here, and we set these pieces of toast up on dimensionals, and this then just stamped a toast to your success. Now, I don't know if you can see in the back, but we went ahead and dry embossed that, because we think it really added to it. And this just sets up perfectly on your desk, but we're going to lay it sideways so that you can see it. Now, the next one that we created is a point-to-point card. We also have a video for that, so you can head over to creativemomentsbyg.com, click on blog, and you can go there, or we'll go ahead and just link that below this video, and you should be able just to click on it and see it there. But look how cute those eggs look. And once again, we use that light pool party just to give it a little bit of shading. So pretty. And when you open it up, have an excellent day. We just thought this fun fold was so cute. Next, we decided to go ahead and use our bananas and our cherries. We added them on dimensionals. We actually cut this happy birthday out and on our die set, and it was so cute. And for that one, we used Hey Birthday Chick to get this cute little happy birthday and the balloons. We added our bananas up on dimensionals, and then just said, celebrate, go bananas. Now stay with us because we have a surprise for you at the end. Now, here is our 4th card. We used a fold back for this card, and I will link a video beneath it so you can get all the measurements and figure out how to do this. Look at that. We used that adorable little heart that came with the set. We used our little yellow dots here. We stamped thanks a bunch and used that beautiful little cutout that they gave us on the top and the bottom. And when you open it up, you are cherry sweet. So here are the 4 cards that we created to complete our 3-part series. Here's the tower card, the point-to-point card, the happy birthday card, and the fold back card. So which card is your favorite? And here's the surprise. If you will make a comment below as to which is your favorite, also like and share it, and that's all you have to do is put the words like and share in your comments. Let us know. On New Year's Eve, we're going to have a drawing, and if you're selected, we will ship you this Lots of Pun Paper Pumpkin Kit. And we will post the winner on New Year's Day over on our community tab here on our YouTube channel. So please let us know your thoughts. Write your comment, like and share, and you might be the lucky person who's selected to get an extra box. And if you already have this paper pumpkin, it doesn't matter. You can share it with a friend or family member. Well, listen, thank you so much for sharing your day with us. When you go out into the world, be kind to yourself and others. Be creative in your crafting, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.